Hello and welcome back. So I thought that I was only a day behind on videos because I know I didn't upload something last night. But it turns out I forgot to even do that on Friday as well. I was out late on Friday, but I thought I'd done something. Maybe it's on my phone, but I don't think it is. Oh, maybe it is on my phone. I'm gonna check. Yeah, I'm gonna pause and check. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, just check my phone, and no, it's not. So this will be the video that was supposed to go up on Saturday, and then I'll do another one straight after for today. Might as well while I'm here. So these will all sort of play out consecutively. So I'm just going to pull this up here. We'll give this some shape. So I want it to kind of attach onto the face. So let's go transparent, and we'll do that. Cool. Alright, so that's done. We'll give it some shape though. So let's just go in here. So I want to make this part thicker. So best way for something organic would just be to use inflate, and we'll just kind of like go around the whole thing, and then do it again, but leave a bit of a gap, so it looks like a bit of a skin fold there. There we go. Awesome. Cool. Because we'll get into doing a bit more geometry wise with this, I'm gonna just move this down so that it kind of connects with the body over here a little bit as well, and just bring the whole thing in just a bit too. Yeah, that looks neat. Should probably put the bottom row of teeth in as well. So what we'll do is we'll just start from scratch with that. We'll go append. Oh, excuse me. Come on. Sphere. We'll grab that sphere. And we'll move it to the front. We'll scale it down and pop that there and there. Scale it down. Scale it down just a bit more. Awesome. And we can go ahead and start shaping that. So we'll put it on transparent so we can actually shape it properly. We want it to fit in the gap here. So it's probably going to be more like that, so that we can fit it in properly, and we shape it more like a tooth. So we would just go ahead and just kind of like move that into position like that. So now the tooth's sitting where it needs to be. We'll give it geometry as well. What are these sitting at? Cool. I'm gonna bend it as well. Neat. Alright, so we can now kind of like duplicate that, and we'll move this one into place here. You can be a bit smaller. Just make it look different to the other tooth. That's kind of the whole point here, just to you know, make sure that what we've got is both fits in with the design but doesn't look too symmetrical. Alright, so we'll duplicate that again. And we'll move this one here. And we'll make this one quite big. We might make these a bit bigger too. So this one needs to be bigger. So that's cool. That fits perfectly. That'll be fine there. Actually, we might just bend it back towards sort of the middle of the mouth and bring it in a bit. Cool. So we'll take this and we'll duplicate. And we'll bring it down, and we'll rotate it 180, or maybe a bit less. Pop that in there. So it'll be for like the back teeth, the molars, or whatever they're called. So it'll be there. And then we'll just put one more tooth there, I suppose. So we'll take this fella again, we'll duplicate him, move him into position, make it smaller, might scale it down, rotate it so it's standing straighter, and put it, yeah, that's fine. We'll take this off just so we can see, yeah, that's cool. We have our back teeth. So these are all clipping in, so that's not good. So we'll, instead of moving the big one, we'll take this fella, and these are all duplicated, so that's fine, and we'll move it but well, we will move this guy just a bit. There we go. Awesome. Alright, well, doing my catch up, but we're getting there. Hopefully you've had a good I think I said this in the last one, but hope you had a good Saturday, Sunday, whatever day it is, and I'll catch you again tomorrow, although there'll be another one straight after if you're watching the one up. Look, there'll be another one, but yeah, see you tomorrow as well. Alright, cheers.